How to delete Facebook activity log all at once. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete Facebook activity log all at once. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Facebook app. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you do that, you can then head over to the bottom right corner, that is on the menu section. After you're there, you will see the settings icon on the top right corner. It's a gear looking icon. Tap on it and you'll be on settings and privacy. From here, head over to Meta's account center. After you're here, scroll down until you find your permissions and information. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, on the bottom section you will see your activity of Meta Technologies. Tap on that. After you tap on that, you'll see an option that says clear previous activity. So tap on clear previous activity and then tap on clear. Again, tap on clear previous activity, and after you do that, your activity of your Facebook will get cleared. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.